How's it? Welcome back to Island Life Live. We are here with our friend Regiane Santos, the General Manager, Hawaii Operations from Southwest Airlines.
Essentially, she's a big boss.
Yes, and she's our friend.
Big. 4'11", yeah.
I had to throw in our friend too, so we can try to get front of the lineup.
Always.
Next time.
Thanks
We're working toward it. We're working toward
Yes,
it.
we are. And how are things going during this busy travel season? I know you got we got the confirmed seats. We love that. There's no
do
anxiety
too.
anymore.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah. So how are things going?
So summer is good. It's a busy time for everyone. Families trying to keep the kids busy, and then people flying. So it's been really, really good. Yeah, sightseeing is going really well, and the feedback from customers is just so positive.
Yes, we love it.
Yeah, we're loving that we can plug in
we
can
too.
charge there. I get more leg room, more
Yes.
knee room. It's
Even
beautiful.
on the back,
Yeah.
we have the largest peach between seats.
Yeah,
Oh, for sure.
I love the fact that going back to the assigned seating, that I can sit next to Lena Girl every time we fly.
Do you like it? You don't need a break?
I love it.
Sometimes?
Can we talk about that
Let's
off
talk,
the
yeah.
air?
Everybody needs a break sometimes.
Wow.
Yeah.
But we really, really love the fact that Southwest has really shown a commitment to our Hawaii people. Thank you so much for that. Not just flying us all over to our favorite destinations, but also continuing to support local community endeavors through incredible events all summer long, yeah?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, absolutely. It's been a commitment of ours. We're more than just an airline, right? We are neighbors, and we want to be good neighbors.
Yeah, and we're excited about Sunset on the
Yes.
Beach.
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
So let's talk about Sunset on the Beach. So movie night is a old tradition on Oahu.
Yes.
You used to have it and went away after COVID, and we're just so proud that we got to bring it back. So very excited about that. And it's happening. We have held 4 of them, so it's 3 years in a row. It's getting even more popular. We can see a lot of locals there now coming and enjoying. But this one is Saturday, so tomorrow.
Yes.
And the movie is Smurfs.
La, 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 la,
Correct.
la, la, la,
But I think more than anything, this is kind of like, this is the end of summer for a lot of the kids. They're going to be going back to school
Yes.
in the coming weeks. So this is a great time for families to gather one last time, big shebang right there on the beach, yeah?
So it's a friend family event for sure. And we have, after this one tomorrow, we have 2 more.
Okay.
So the sun is still shining. And we got to celebrate.
Yes.
So 2 more, and it's very family friendly. It starts at 4:30. And we have live performance, hula music, there are games. You get to get some Southwest swag, all that good stuff. So we'll keep you entertained for about 2 hours. So 4:30, the movie begins at 7:30.
Okay.
When the sun sets, and then you can see the big screen.
It's just wonderful.
What about food? I mean,
Yeah, so there are food. Thank you for
I love the
asking.
movie, but I also like the snacks.
How's
and
this
the-
guy?
Thank you for asking. Absolutely. There are food options and snacks too. Families are welcome to bring their own snacks if they like. If you have a large family, I know it can get expensive, but there are options there as well.
Beautiful.
And all of this is being possible with partnership with the Waikiki Improvement Association and, of course, the Seguin County of Honolulu.
And Southwest, and
Yes,
Southwest Airlines
yes.
taking care of us.
Thank
Not just
you.
flying us all
Yeah.
over again, but just helping us to enjoy some family moments in the
been a
community.
great, very good event. And you can park at the zoo, and there are other options there as well.
Lovely.
Perfect.
That's so cool. Okay, that's a good pro tip. Also, get there early, I'm assuming. So you can lay
it's
down
getting
your
more
blanket.
popular. So my advice is get there early, block a nice seat spot for your family, bring your beach gear.
Yes.
So chairs, mats, all the good stuff that we have with us everywhere we go, and be ready to enjoy a beautiful Saturday.
Right on.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Great.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you
to
so much
Southwest for
for having
making
me.
this happen for
Absolutely.
us.
Thank you.
Regiane Santos of Southwest Airlines.
General
you.
manager. She's
Yeah.
a big boss. Over there.
So big.
Yeah. Okay, stay right there because we have a
Thank you.
question. Today we're celebrating Drive-Through Day, National Drive-Through. Of course, oh man, especially on Beretania, the one for Chick-fil-A and McDonald's, both of them, they cause traffic jams.
Block
over
the
there.
lines right there.
So here's how you saw my question about how many fast food drive-through visits do Americans make each year?
Oh, boy.
Is it A, 100 million, B, 600, oh, it's supposed to be 600 million, sorry, but it says billion, C, 1 billion, or D, 6 billion? Hey, Johnny, what you want to guess?
Oh my goodness. It's in the billions, I think.
sure?
Yeah,
I'm not sure,
Which
but-
billion you think?
Let's say 6.
6
billion.
billion?
Okay, Lena girl,
I
what's
could go with Regiane.
Okay.
Let's see, come on. We are so akamai, sister. We got it right.
Nice.
We are, you and I, we are amazing.
Thank you.
Woohoo!
We know our drive-through.
We know our drive-throughs.
Yes.